Before diving into programming, it's crucial to grasp the basic concepts behind it. Let's take C programming as our example. Think of a programming language like a person's name. The first name is the language itself, like C. The middle name represents its function, programming, which means creating software. The last name shows its category, language, a way to communicate with machines. Now, what is software? There are two main types, system software and application software. System software acts as a bridge between you and the hardware. For instance, when you print a document, you don't talk to the printer directly. The operating system, like Windows or Linux, manages that for you. OS is built by skilled programmers but offers limited job opportunities since it's not customized. On the other hand, application software is environment-specific. If you live in a hot region, you need an AC, not a heater. Similarly, college management software won't work for a pharmacy because their needs differ. Application software performs specific tasks like managing student records or billing in shops. Since these vary by company, there's high demand for custom development and more job opportunities.